Hey guys, so we have a package right here. Can you guess who it's from? Okay, let's take a look at the paper bag. Dare to leap. You guessed it right. Did you say realme? Of course, it's from our friends over at realme. So they'll be launching several items over the next couple of weeks, and we're here to give you my first impressions on these products. So let's go. Alright, okay, so based on the transmittal form, we have the Realme Watch 2, Realme Buds Wireless 2, and the Realme Motion Activated Nightlight. Wow, sounds interesting. Let's take a look. Okay, so first we have the Realme Buds Wireless 2 over here. Then we have the Realme Watch 2 right here. And finally, we have the Realme Motion Activated Nightlight right here. Cute. Hey squad, now more than ever, our health should be our top priority. Whatever your fitness and wellness goals are, Realme Philippines is here to help you achieve them. This July, we're celebrating the Realme Health Awareness Month to spread awareness on the importance of health and empower Filipinos to stay active. In line with this, we're excited to share with you our latest range of AIoT products, the Realme Watch 2 series, Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo, and the Realme Nightlight. Check it out, guys. Okay, so the launch will be on July 6, 6 p.m. Mark your calendars, guys. In the meantime, we're gonna take a look at these items right here. I think for this video, I'm just gonna focus on this product right here, the Realme Motion Activated Nightlight. Then I'm gonna create separate videos for the Realme Watch 2 and for the Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo, so it doesn't take too long and you can just hop onto that video if you wanna look at that instead. So without further ado, let's take a look at the Realme Motion Activated Nightlight. So it comes in the very familiar Realme yellow box, Realme yellow packaging. So there you go, this is the front. Human motion detection. It's eye-friendly and it provides diffused lighting in addition to powerful magnetic design. It runs on 4.5 volts of power. We have the white variant and the rated power or power consumption is 0.45 watts. Luminous flux is at 31 meters. Doesn't say how strong the light is, but you can check it out for yourself. There you go. The top portion is sealed, but the bottom portion has this tape. So I'm guessing this is how you're supposed to open it, by taking off the tape. Ah, it's easy. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the proper way to open this box. And right on top, we have 3 AAA alkaline batteries right here. Very nice. I've never seen a Realme battery before. Looks real good actually. So over here we have the Realme Motion Activated Nightlight. Still in this packaging, we're gonna open it up. There you go. Donut shaped. It's also donut sized. I'd say about 3 inches in diameter. And it's magnetic, so you have this circular disc right here with what appears to be adhesive at the back. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but the back side of this circular disc has a double-sided tape that you can peel off. I'm gonna try to peel part of it now so you can see it. Okay, so I've lifted a part of the paper that's covering the adhesive portion on the disc. So as you can see, this part right here is very sticky. So I'm guessing that's the part that you're supposed to stick to your wall or inside your cabinet. And then you're gonna use this disc right here, which is magnetic, and you're gonna tack on the motion activated night light to its back. Okay, so it's easy, just twist and it comes off. Okay, so this is the back portion of the realme motion activated night light. This is where you put in the batteries, and we're gonna put it in now. There you go. So over here we have the manual for the realme motion activated night light. Okay, so apparently this product has two brightness settings. The one to the left is dimmer and the one to the right is supposed to be brighter. And if you can see over to the front, you have the sensor right here. That's the motion sensor. Here I'm demonstrating the brightest setting, and I'm gonna turn it down. And this is what the lower setting looks like. High, low. High brightness, low brightness. Okay, so my first impressions of this product is that it's very compact, it's very simple to use and operate, and it's nice that it has two brightness settings, which means if you want to conserve power, you can switch to the lower brightness setting. And if you need more brightness, you need a brighter light, you can switch to the high-powered mode. I also like that it's magnetic, so you don't have to drill any holes. You can just stick on this disc wherever you want it, and then boom, it's gonna stick itself right there. I'm not sure if you can just buy this magnetic disc separately or if you have to buy both in order to get one. It's also nice that it runs on AAA batteries, because this means that you can easily replace the batteries and it's not going to degrade, because if it does, you can just throw it away and get new ones. And if you are gonna get rechargeable batteries for it, you can just charge them. If you have any questions about the realme rechargeable night light, leave them in the comment section. So guys, I have two more products right here, the Realme Watch 2 and the Realme Band Wireless 2 Neo. Okay, we're gonna check them out in a separate video. For now, this has been Kuya Dan. I'll see you guys in the next video. Paalam!